Hey, what's up guys, today we'll be playing Plane Story, part 1. There will be, I think, up to Airplane 4 on the last flight. Yeah, so, basically we're just gonna play this one, then Airplane 2, Airplane 3, and then Airplane 4. Let's go ahead and get in here. Panda plushie, no thanks. So how do I get up? That's right, leave room. No. Oh, that was super quick. Okay. We are a passenger. C13. Where is that? We are in C13. So where do we find our seats? Oh, C. So that'd be 8, 9. Okay, so we're C13. Right here. Hello, everyone. This is your captain speaking. Welcome aboard Flight 8978. We are currently flying at an altitude of 33,000 feet above sea level, and the weather looks good. Oh my god. The weather looks good, which means we will be arriving in our... Oh my gosh. Feel free to explore the airplane, which I'm not, because I feel like we're gonna crash, like every story of these airplanes. Unless we're not gonna crash. If we don't crash, that would be amazing. But I was seeing all the game passes, and it's gonna be about a monster because I saw the game pass become the monster. So, please find your seats below left to seat. I found my seat already. Oh, 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 oh. Alright, thank you for your, cooperation. I think that's how you pronounce it. Get ready as our crew prepares a snack for everybody. Dun, dun, dun. Hello everyone, we are the crew members. We will be delivering delicious sandwiches. Enjoy! Alright, I will enjoy, but I won't eat it because I know in every story, guys. Here's a tip. Don't eat the food they give you because you'll need it. If you are about to die, you can eat your sandwich and whatever. So I have some more. What are... Blue Steve's. Oh no, you need a medicine. I'm gonna go pass you one. There should be some in the bathroom. So this should be here. Oh. Captain. Hello, it should be in the bathroom. Cause I would expect, yeah, in the bathroom. That was a close one. Alright, so back on our seats and relax and eat our sandwich. Good afternoon to all passengers. I inform you, we've reached a stable altitude, and we will have a good time, relax, take a nap, or anything you want. Besides stand out, I think. We still have a few hours to go. Thanks, Captain. Whoa, 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 whoa. I just... Wait, but what is that on the right one? First, my imagination? Look at that! That can't be my imagination, right? You will not survive. Are those... snakes? See. Get on your seat. Good. Oh! Guys, there's an open restroom. Quickly, we will be safer there. Up. Restroom. Which restroom? Is it on the other side? Which side is it? I think it's on the other side. Where is the restroom? Oh, this restroom. Oh. Up. Just in case if they get in. Hello, minion. Okay. Just gonna... Oh, that was scary. Should discuss what in the world is happening. Oh, I'm feeling a little bit tired. No, I'm not really that tired. I mean... Was this all a dream? Oh. Okay, looks like the power's back. It looks like it's back up. And the snakes are gone. Thanks. Oh my gosh, thank you. The creature's on the way. It's also gone. Ugh, creepy. You know what, I think it was just my imagination. Maybe other people's imagination too. Your attention, passengers. We have good news and bad news. Alright, what's the bad news? The good news is the power is back up. The bad news is... The bad news is that we are losing a round of oxygen. Where is it? How? Okay, we're gonna want to continue. Oh no. No. I wasn't. Oh, actually. How much Robux is it? It's only 30 Robux. We got this, guys. We got this. Extra life. Stopping. We're in F14 now. What is it? Oh my gosh! What is this? Looks like a bomb. Oh no! What are we gonna do? Okay, everyone, calm down. We're going to find something to cut the cables. Let's go. I found a pair of scissors. Nice job. Which cable should I cut? Okay, what cable should we cut? I will cut the red cable. So you're gonna cut your own cable. Nice. Red. You didn't make. Wait! Don't wait! You're the one that died. just lost somebody. We lost the minion. Or some piece. What? How is he still talking? He isn't in the game. Okay, we haven't heard about the crew in a while. Maybe we should look for them and check if everything's okay. Alright, they got that covered. Oh my gosh, I was gonna say. That's why you shouldn't get near explosions. But my question is, how did he get it? Like, how did the explosion get on him? Think there's something that's chasing after us. I knew it. Wait, what? Captain! 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 Where are you? Is this the captain room? Where's the captain room? Oh, it's all the way on the other side. But it's locked. Something is happening inside. Captain might be in trouble. Let's get in. The store needs a code. If we find it, we might be able to get in. I found the code. Nice job. Let's get in. It's the creature. You will pay for what you've done. What do we do? You think you are here on accident, but you're not. I brought you here. All of you. That is not possible. Scary, buddy. It is, and now it's time to oof. See you in somewhere else. Bye. No! Get back here! I'll give you this. Can I see? No, 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 the captain! What are we gonna do? The plane is falling. What are we gonna do? We need to find the autopilot button. Where is it though? Press all the buttons. Click everything and find that button. Click, 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 click. Click, 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 click. Okay, it's not. There isn't anywhere in that spot. It isn't anywhere in that spot. It must be here. I found the button. Ooh. We did it! We saved the plane! We're heroes! It's been a very crazy flight. I just want to go home already. Oh my gosh. Just want to go home already. And all we need to do is find the emergency phone so we can call for help. Okay, let's go. Can't believe this happened today. Oh my gosh. Let's just go. Should be calling now. Oh my gosh, it's a crazy day. Hello? We need help! Our captain is unconscious. Don't worry, we'll get you home in no time. Is everyone okay? Yes. We're okay. Autopilot mode is on. Okay. And we're going to, we're taking control. Oh my gosh. That's scary. There is one last task I have for you. Someone needs to keep the plane on track. Find someone to sit on the co-pilot seat aside the captain. Somebody did it. Okay, everyone. I got this. I got this. I got this. Dun, 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 dun. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. He's here, he's here. Run, run. Oh no. It's back. You humans are funny. Your destiny has already been written. Last chance. Blue Steve play. Cash, plane, and we rule the underworld for eternity. Guys, he left. We all might die. I'm not doing it. I'm saving this plane. You humans are so weak. This is not the last time you see me. It's gone! Yes, that is correct. Wait, he said it was not the last time we see him! What did he mean? It doesn't matter. Let's get back home now. I'm about to get sick. That's, guys, is Airplane. Victory! I don't have a victory dance, but we did it. That was the best victory. We did it, guys. I am so happy. That was the Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe, like, turn on all notifications so you never miss any of my newest videos. And the next video you should watch is Airplane 2. I'm about to make that video, so hopefully you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!